徛台湾看世界来看，英国新冠病毒死亡的人数超过10万人，将做美国、巴西、印度、墨西哥了后，全球第5个超过10万人死亡的国家。
I'm sorry to have to tell you that today the number of deaths recorded from COVID in the UK has surpassed 100,000.
英国首相强生讲，全英国死去的人数超过10万人。强生除了悼念死者，嘛强调讲，伊会甲这阵打起来。
As Prime Minister, I take full responsibility for everything that the government has done.
强生嘛承认，去年防疫若是好好做、认真做，就袂死这么侪人。即马英国正做美国、巴西、印度、墨西哥后第5个死亡人数超过10万的国家，而且伊总人口数阁是无超过1亿的国家。虽然死去的人数嘛是真济，不过第3摆封锁加上疫苗开始做，互英国确诊的人数有影变少。不过即马面对的是变种病毒，想要紧补救，恐惊袂当干那靠疫苗。
It's very clear that we need to have quarantine comprehensively in hotels for everybody coming into the country.
英國政府嘛當地咧設防疫旅館，強制甲出國倒轉來遊客關10天。消息放出來，民眾有真濟反應。
I think they probably should have done that at the very beginning.
Yeah, I think this is ridiculous. It's impossible to happen. I mean, especially they're asking people to pay.
為着讓愈濟性命袂去受到變種病毒危害，英國政府防疫嘅進度就要較趕緊咧。